Today, we will discuss Akiflow and Reclaim. Both programs acknowledge the need of time blocking as a key tactic for efficient time management. Despite having varying degrees of automation, they both make it easier to set aside specific times for jobs and activities. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. The main functions of Akiflow are time blocking and task consolidation. It attempts to consolidate tasks from multiple sources like email, applications, and etc. into a single hub so that users can effectively prioritize and schedule them. It is highly user-friendly and offers extensive manual time blocking modification, deep integrations with productivity apps, and a unified task inbox. Reclaim is a smart calendar assistant driven by artificial intelligence. It optimizes your calendar to produce a balanced schedule by automating scheduling for activities, meetings, and routines. It makes scheduling decisions primarily using AI, calendar schedule that is automated, prioritization powered by AI, setting aside time for routines and assignments, automation of meeting scheduling, Google Calendar integration. All in all, the common objective of increasing user productivity is the main similarity. By cutting down on time spent on scheduling and task management, they want to free up users to concentrate on their primary tasks. The goal of both apps is to enhance users' digital workflow. Their goal is to make the increasingly digital workplace more organized.